Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious tuna pie using Lumpia wrappers. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You will need 2 cans of flaked tuna, 1 small onion, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and about 25 Lumpia wrappers. Also, have on hand some mayonnaise, cheese, and your preferred seasonings. Getting everything ready beforehand makes the cooking process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's create our flavorful tuna filling. Begin by thoroughly draining 2 cans of tuna to remove any excess liquid. This is crucial for a firm pie. Next, in a mixing bowl, combine the drained tuna with 1 small, finely diced onion, 1/4 cup of shredded carrots, and 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery. Stir in 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and 1/4 cup of shredded cheddar cheese. Season with 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of garlic powder for a delightful taste. With our filling ready, it's time to assemble the pies. Lay 1 Lumpia wrapper flat on a clean, dry surface. Place about 1 to 2 tablespoons of the tuna mixture near one edge of the wrapper, forming a small log shape. Carefully fold the wrapper over the filling, then fold in the sides, and roll it tightly. Use a tiny bit of water on the final edge to seal it securely. Repeat this process until all your delicious tuna filling is used up, creating approximately 25 pies. Finally, let's cook these golden delights. Heat about 2 inches of cooking oil in a deep pan over medium heat. Once the oil is hot, carefully place a few tuna pies into the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Fry them for approximately 2 to 3 minutes on each side, or until they turn a beautiful golden brown and are crispy. Remove the pies and drain any excess oil on a paper towel-lined plate. Serve your warm, crispy tuna pies immediately with a sweet chili sauce or your favorite dip. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.